So it's the next day. Here's how it came out. The cut is not too bad. It's literally in the same spot as the trunk release. So yeah, I definitely recommend it. Just a quick video for people who are trying to add a backup camera to their 11 to 14 Charger or a Chrysler 300. Basically, you pull off the third brake light. This hole here is a little bit bigger than 3/4. I just used a step bit and I lined it up as best as I could. Then you get the camera. I'll put the part number in the description below. You also need a tazer or some kind of module to activate that backup camera. But it's a real straightforward, simple install. Most people are asking for $200 to $300. I'm just using my factory brake light, and the camera I got was $55 off of Amazon. So I'll get everything put together and let you know how it works. Here's the cheap camera I got. There's the part number. It does match with the factory part number, so make sure you figure out which camera you need for your car. That's the one that I have right here. So here's the camera. And here's the connector. The cars already have this connector. You don't have to do any kind of splicing. It's plug and play. The connector's already in the trunk. So yeah, all you do is plug that up. And like I said, you need a taser or some other device just to activate that backup camera. And you should be good to go. Also, I'm just going to be using some self-tapping screws to thread into the plastic on the back of the lights. It does not come with screws. So yeah, just I think probably 1/2 inch, maybe a little bit shorter is what I'm going to use. And yeah, I'll seal it up with some nice clear silicone to make sure it's airtight. No water can get into it. And yeah, it should be a pretty straightforward install. So I got the camera installed. Basically what I did was I just protected the lens. I put a bead of silicone around the edge on the inside and the outside and kind of smooth it out. And then on the back side around the housing, I just kind of put some more silicone around there all the way around. So it should be a pretty good seal. I'm gonna install it once this dries, and then I'll come back and just do a video of how the camera functions. Here's the finished product. I'm pretty happy with how it came out. It looks almost factory. I could probably go around the edges and clean up the sealing around the edges a little bit more, but it is what it is. I'm happy with it for 50 bucks. I'm not really concerned. There it is. Came out pretty good. So hop inside. Let you guys see what the camera looks like. Oh. Okay. Cut that flash off. All right, there's the camera. Here's park and reverse. So I'll probably take those guidelines off. They're not really lining up the correct way. It's not too bad, but I'll probably just take them off. I'm sure there's a way to do it with the taser. But like I said, if you enjoyed this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment if you have any questions, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.